Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. I'm UV Prajesh again from Ambal Auto Maruti Suzuki showroom in Coimbatore today, and I'm here with the brand new facelifted 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift basic entry-level LXI variant. We have already seen the top spec most loaded variant of the Maruti Suzuki Swift in our previous detailed video. However, this here is the most entry-level basic model of the Swift range, the LXI. However, this is no ordinary LXI, and this specific Swift has been loaded with Maruti genuine accessories as a part of the limited edition package provided at the dealer level at Ambal Auto Maruti Suzuki showroom. Starting with the exterior, this Swift LXI looks exactly like the regular basic LXI model and does not have projector headlamps, LED DRLs or front fog lamps. However, the chrome strip on the front grille mimics the design seen on the top spec ZXi Plus AMT variant and is a part of the limited edition accessory package. Moving towards the sides, this Swift LXI, being the basic model, gets black colored door handles and ORVMs. However, as a part of the special package, this LXI variant is fitted with black colored 14-inch wheel covers, which have a good quality feel to them and look rather good as well. Apart from that, this Swift LXI limited edition model is also fitted with rub strips on the sides, which also get chrome finish on them. And oh yes, apart from all these, the Swift LXI limited edition model also comes with rain visors for all 4 doors as a part of this special edition package. Moving towards the rear, however, this looks exactly like any other Swift LXI model without any additional equipment. From the entry-level variant itself, the Swift 2021 model gets C-shaped LED tail lamps and 4 reverse parking sensors as standard. However, a reverse parking camera is available only on the ZXi and the ZXi Plus variants, along with a rear windshield wiper washer and defogger. As standard, even on the entry-level LXI variant, the Swift gets a provision for roof-mounted antenna, which has been connected to an aftermarket touchscreen system in this car. To have a look at that, let's get inside this Swift LXI limited edition model. Opening the driver door of the Swift LXI, it is surprising to see all 4 power windows on this specific car. Obviously, this is a part of the accessory package, and surprisingly, it also includes one touch down function for the driver window. To include power windows, each of the doors have their separate power window console fitted at the dealer level. Taking the driver's seat inside this car, there is obviously the very basic looking steering wheel without any steering motor audio controls. However, the steering has been fitted with genuine Maruti Suzuki steering wheel cover, and obviously you can see that this entry-level LXI variant does not get a tachometer. Coming to the center console, the center stage is obviously this Pioneer-sourced 6-inch touchscreen system, which is paired to 4 speakers, and surprisingly the interface is pretty slick and very good in terms of touch response. This system is compatible with USB, aux, Bluetooth, apart from the standard FM and AM radio. There has been no changes to the manual climate control AC offered on the LXI variant, and just like every other Maruti Suzuki, these are very easy to operate. Coming towards the roof, the Swift LXI does not get a day-night IRVM. However, as a part of this 2021 facelift, the Swift LXI also offers the engine auto start-stop system as a part of the standard equipment. Just beside that is the button for the car's perimetric alarm system, which is fitted along with the central locking system, which is a part of Maruti genuine accessories and a part of this special edition package. The standard keys available with this car are pretty basic, and as a part of this package, both the keys are fitted with their individual remote controls, and both these remotes are sourced from Nippon. So that was all about the keys of this limited edition Swift LXI. As I already said, all the doors have been fitted with their own power window console, replacing the manual window winder. Apart from that, this interior looks pretty basic, with an all-black cabin, and even the safety features remain exactly the same. All variants of the Swift come as standard with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, engine immobilizer, pre-tensioner equipped seatbelts, 4 reverse parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. The center console of this car remains exactly the same, however without the USB aux ports and the chrome detailing on the gear lever. So with this accessory package, Maruti Suzuki has provided almost all the essential features even on this entry-level LXI basic variant. This limited edition package also includes rubberized floor mats, which will be fitted only when the car is ready for delivery. That said, seat covers are not a part of this limited edition package. Now let's close the driver door and let's hop inside the back seat of the Swift LXI limited edition model. Just like the front doors, the rear doors also get their very own power window consoles, and the fit and finish too is pretty good, almost like the factory fitment. Talking about the rear passenger cabin, there has been no additions in terms of features, and typically this basic model does not get adjustable headrests for the rear seat passengers. However, ISOFIX child seat mounts are a part of standard package, and here's a quick view of the dashboard from the rear seats. And honestly, with all the accessories fitted to this LXI model, the dashboard looks more complete than before. However, the interior is still pretty dark and black when compared to the higher spec variants. So that was all about the back seats of the Swift LXi limited edition model. Now let's open the boot of this specific Swift LXi to check out the last remaining feature. Opening the boot of the Swift LXi limited edition model, unfortunately it still has to be done by pulling this lever in the driver footwell. And let's just go around and opening the boot. Opening the boot, you get to see the exact same 268 liters of luggage capacity, and as I already said, the 4-piece rubber cut mats will be fitted only when the car is ready for delivery, and they are of genuine heavy quality. Under that is a rubber mat specifically made for the boot of the Swift, which is also a part of this limited edition package. So that basically was the last feature of this limited edition package on the Swift LXi, and let's close the boot. So on the rear windshield itself is the actual list of features and accessories fitted to this LXi, including the touchscreen, power windows, remote central locking, etc., along with basic stuff like front and rear mud flaps. While the actual total of all these accessories is around 41,664, the special offer price of this limited edition package is Rs 35,940, which sums up the total discount on this special edition package up to Rs 5,724, which seems like a great deal given that all the accessories fitted are from Maruti Genuine Accessories with genuine warranty and quality. Moreover, while the standard Swift LXi offers decent level of safety features as standard, this limited edition package also adds some essential equipment like remote central locking with genuine Maruti lock and unlock sounds, along with other essential equipment like all 4 power windows, wheel covers, rain visor and side strips. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this limited edition package on the Swift LXi. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.